Trying this video thing again. Looks like it's working now. Down below. There's the steps up. There's a log. This is where the bridge is going to be. There are 2 sleepers. Shelly and I did. And we're going to walk up through this little tunnel that the tree just kind of created. So there's going to be a bridge right here. Right across the creek. We piled those rocks in. Shelly piled those rocks in. And then we found big giant rocks. So right across from there to here. I'm going to walk down here a little bit. There we go. Soon, next week I hope, it's going to be a little bridge here. So a little switchback right there. It's going to come across right here. Okay, so let's hope the video works down to the spring. Let's boogie to the spring.
Yes.
So here we go. Put a rock there.
Yep, gotta put one there.
Oh, we decided we want to make a do sign and make it look old.
Oh.
And put a sign that people wouldn't think to look at, but like no barfing or something like that. And people would just think it's no hunting and until they actually read it.
Until they read it? Yeah. That's actually funny.
So, this spring has been here since before I was born. It rained. It rained really bad, and all these leaves came in. But when we were here, way back when, there was this tree where all this big opening was. There was a tree, and so this spring came out. So what Keith and I came down and did is we put that PVC pipe in, piled rocks on it, put the pipe right on some rocks.
And a root, yeah.
And we piled it into the root. And then Shelly dug out that a little bit so we could fit water bottles in. And this is the beginning of a creek. And this creek, from what I understand, runs into Rock Creek. And Rock Creek goes all the way to the Mississippi. So, here's our spring.
Awesome.
It's cool. And there's a trail going back.
I see why you want the break.
And then, if you notice, for your fun fact, there is a deer trail kind of going up. And there was once a deer trail kind of right, well, it's hard to see now.
My attempt at steps there.
There was our first set. Hey, we're going to build steps coming down to the spring. And then I'm like, hey, why don't we just walk right here along the flat part? So, kind of cool.
Along the bottom.
So here's the spring. We're going to clean that up. Hopefully come back with more